What's up everyone, RTC Finance here, and today we are going to be talking about how to make passive income on the Robinhood app. First, I will define what passive income really is, then I'll talk a little bit about Robinhood, and finally, I'll tell you guys exactly how to make $100 per week on the Robinhood app without doing anything. Passive income is income that can be earned automatically with minimal labor. This is the type of income we all should be after because it is the only way you can become financially free. Everyone will have slightly different definitions of what financial freedom is for them, but for me, financial freedom is when my passive income exceeds my living expenses. So let's go over an easy example. If my rent is $1,700, car expenses are about $500, and all my other expenses like phone, food, utilities, and entertainment total $1,000, then my total expenses comes out to about $3,200 per month. And if I am making $3,500 per month passively, then I no longer have to actively work to pay for all my bills. So at that point, I am officially financially free. Now, what's one easy way anyone can start building their passive income? Well, first of all, you are going to need a brokerage account. So if you are new to investing, you can use my link in the bio to download the Robinhood app. Once you set up your account, because you used my link, we will both receive a free stock from Robinhood. Most of the time, it's going to be a stock worth a couple dollars, but sometimes you can get lucky and receive a stock like Apple or Microsoft worth a couple $100s. I actually did get lucky once and received a free stock of Apple, so you never know, you can get lucky too. Once you have a brokerage account, you can begin to put money into dividend stocks, which are stocks that will pay you monthly or quarterly just for owning that stock. I would suggest picking 3 to 6 different stocks and using your active income to buy whatever you can afford every month. As time goes by, you will accumulate more and more shares. Obviously, the more shares you have, the more passive income you will earn. Now, a pro tip that I have for you guys is that you should also take advantage of the DRIP strategy. DRIP stands for Dividend Reinvestment Plan. DRIP automatically reinvests those dividends into additional shares of that same stock instead of just adding cash to your brokerage account. Doing this will create a powerful compounding effect that will get you closer to becoming financially free much faster. Robinhood actually allows you to implement the DRIP strategy automatically. Now, time for the good part. Let's talk about some of my favorite dividend stocks, and let's see how many shares you need in order to make $100 per week from their dividend payments. NYCB is a bank that pays about 17 cents per share every single quarter. One share of NYCB costs about $10 right now, so if you invested $25,000 into NYCB, you will have 2,500 shares, which will net you about $425 per quarter. Citigroup is another bank stock that pays about 35 cents per quarter. Right now, one share costs $51, so if you invested $20,000 into Citigroup, you will have 392 shares, which will net you about $137 per quarter. AT&T is a telecommunications company that now pays about 27 cents per quarter. Right now, one share costs $19. So if you invested $30,000 into AT&T, you will have 1,578 shares, which will net you about $426 per quarter. SPHD is an ETF that pays about 14 cents per month. And right now, one share costs $48. So if you invested $25,000 into SPHD, you will have 520 shares, which will net you about $72 per month, which is $216 per quarter. Now let's add all of that together. 425 plus 137 plus 426 plus 216 divided by 12, since there's 12 weeks in a quarter, gives you $100.33 per week. So a $100,000 investment into these 4 stocks will net you a little more than $100 per week. Obviously, $100,000 is a lot of money, but if you implement the drip strategy and buy dividend stocks every single month, you will get there much quicker than you think, and the younger you are, the more time you have to actually get there. If you guys enjoyed this video or found it useful, feel free to subscribe and drop me a like. I would definitely appreciate that.